Hi friends! Today we're going to be talking about something called assessment anxiety. Now you might not know what either of these words mean, so I'm going to explain it to you a little bit. Anxiety is when you feel nervous or worried about something that's going to happen in the future. Maybe you started a new school and you're worried you're going to make friends, or you're nervous about if you're going to like your teacher. Maybe you started a new school year and you're nervous about who's in your class or what teacher you got for the next year. Stuff like that can make you really anxious and nervous. And assessment is another word for test. So assessment anxiety is when you're nervous or worried about a test that you're going to take. And there's something that you might not know about anxiety is that it can make you feel sick. It can make you shaky, it can make you sweaty, and it can even make your stomach hurt. So anxiety is not only a nervous or worried feeling, it can also make you feel like you're going to be sick. And so I'm going to teach you how to relax when you feel anxious before a test. And I'm going to show you a really fun yoga trick that you can do whenever you're feeling anxious or stressed about a test that you're going to take. Okay, what you want to do is you want to get on your knees just like I am, and you want to make sure that your big toes are touching each other and your knees, so your hips are right here. Make sure your knees are in line with your hips. So your knees, when you draw a line up to your hips, they line up perfectly. Once you're in this position, then you want to sit back on your knees just like this. And if the floor is yucky around you, like if you're at school or somewhere where the floor is yucky, you can put your hands down like this and lean forward like this. If you're at home where the floor is not yucky, you can lay down like this and put your hands at your side. And when you get into these positions, you just want to sit there and you want to relax and just take deep breaths until you feel all relaxed and your anxiety has gone away. I hope this helps you guys.